Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of car care with the Chemical Guys Mic_506_12 professional-grade premium microfiber towels. These towels are making waves in the detailing community, and we're here to tell you why they're a must-have for your car care arsenal. The Chemical Guys Mic_506_12 microfiber towels are the gold standard when it comes to car detailing. These 16-inch by 16-inch towels come in a pack of 12 and are designed to be the perfect final touch solution for your car. But they're not just for cars. These versatile towels can be used for home cleaning and even pet drying. Let's talk about what makes these towels stand out. First, they are made of premium microfiber, which means they are incredibly soft, fluffy, and absorbent. But what sets them apart is their dual-sided pile. You have a high pile side for soaking up wash water, detail sprays, and waterless wash solutions, and a short pile side for buffing away dried wax, sealant, and polish. Plus, these towels have luxurious silk-banded edges that won't scratch your car's paint. 12 microfiber towels? Well, they are designed to prevent scratches and swirling on sensitive paintwork and automotive surfaces. The silk edges provide an extra layer of protection, unlike cheaper towels with hard nylon edges. These towels are the go-to choice for both beginners and professionals in the car care world. Taking care of your Mic_506_12 towels is easy. Simply machine wash them with Chemical Guys microfiber wash and use hot water. Avoid fabric softeners or dryer sheets, and always air dry or use the lowest heat setting on your dryer. This will ensure they maintain their softness and effectiveness. In conclusion, the Chemical Guys Mic_506_12 professional-grade premium microfiber towels are a game-changer when it comes to car detailing. They are super absorbent, scratch-free, and versatile enough for various applications. With the right care, they will last you through multiple uses. That's it for today's review of the Chemical Guys Mic_506_12 microfiber towels. If you want to keep your car looking its best, these towels are a must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. And as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Thanks for watching.